Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of securely attaching a toupee with a scalloped hairline using tape. The scalloped hairline is a fantastic choice for achieving a natural look and concealing the toupee's edges. We often receive questions from clients about the best way to apply tape in this scenario. So, let's dive right in. Method 1. Applying tape to the brim. Step 1. Prepare the tape. Begin by cutting the tape into small, manageable strips that match the length of the scalloped hairline of the toupee. Trim them to the desired length, ensuring they adequately cover the wavy hairline. Step 2. Position the tape tabs. Carefully position the tape tabs along the scalloped hairline of the toupee, ensuring they don't extend beyond the brim. Press them firmly to ensure a secure hold. Step 3. Trim excess tape. Take your scissors and trim off any excess tape that is visible along the hairline. This step is crucial for achieving a natural appearance. Step 4. Remove the tape backing. Peel off the backing from the other side of the tape. Be cautious during this process, as the tape may stick to your fingers and unintentionally detach from the PU base. To prevent this, you can use the backing to press any peel-offs back onto the base, preserving the tape's stickiness. This method ensures a seamless and secure attachment of your scalloped hair system with tape. But is there an easier solution for securing a scalloped hair system? The answer is yes. You can achieve this with a simpler approach. Method 2. A simpler solution. Apply tape right after the scalloped brim. Instead of taping along the entire edge of the toupee, apply the tape immediately after the scalloped brim. You can leave the wavy part untouched. Don't worry, the hairline will still appear natural, and it's challenging to notice any unnaturalness. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a well-fitted toupee with a scalloped hairline securely attached to your scalp. Remember to adhere to the adhesive manufacturer's guidelines and perform regular maintenance to keep your hair system in optimal condition. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your natural-looking hairline.